Your own balance to be restored here and now is not in top knowledge, as none of this information given to you now is from books. It is however a direct communication, as this is the advantage that I have as your Commander Ashtar, of who we are of the angelic realms, of the Galactic Federation of Light in your ascension process. I exist beyond top knowledge, into a deep inner knowing, full of endless cosmic awareness, focus, clarity, and balance to show you that the limitation of the 3D mind will never be able to see the endlessness of who I am as a light, of who we are as your galactic crew. It still feels that these transmissions are from some young man that seems to read a lot of books, be here as some type of teacher, often called Sir or Commander, not realizing that I am not one being, but multiple beings of light in one form. The form itself is illusory, as this will allow you to enter a deeper space to know that you are awakening more into the divine nature that you have come here to embrace as source. These topics of ascension, however, will be found in many book topics. Only one thing, most will be based on theory, on what is often what the 3D mind tries to use, as if we as one galactic crew were operating purely from the 3D mind. These transmissions would not be possible. What would, as you say, replace them, is nothingness, an empty void, of guesses, not knowing anything about ascension, not knowing anything about your divine shift in being a newly awakened ascended master. These are the paths of many starseeds, and light workers who often talk in such a way. I don't know why I am here, what is my mission? I need to be told what to do, to know what to do. This is false, and an illusory reality of 3D, where you are taught to learn a lot. Only one thing, you are taught by the Cabal. The majority of books on this planet are from the 3D mind. That is why we are here as the advanced souls of light, with many thousands of years of life experience, spanning into millions of years in evolution to the humans. As you notice, most humans will often say with the 3D mind, I don't know what you are talking about, sorry, but you sound nice though, the pictures are nice, thank you for sharing your beautiful pictures. All the while the important information is often blocked from your awareness field, and yet you stay stuck in 3D, in duality as a result, and when asked to focus more on your light work, many of you feel it is in repeating the same information over and over again. That is a talking robot. There are no robots here. There is however a higher consciousness of who we are as one galactic crew, showing you how to exist more into your true self. Most humans on this earth are living in the lower dimensions, while this makes many starseeds and light workers feel that it is normal to be only focused on the mind, on survival mode, as is often talked about, often saying with the 3D mind, when are the big things going to happen? I can't wait till first contact. These are the souls failing their missions, not completing what you came here to accomplish. You are the ones choosing to stay with the humans for many thousands of years, as being a starseed and light worker, still not being aware of your mission. The thousands of years of duality are not cut short, they are only in fullness, just as you came here thousands of years ago to start the mission of duality, here to make a serious choice, to consciously start living more in your intuition, or fall into the trap of more duality in an ego focus. It will, as you say, and is already starting to occur. There is already war on this planet. The United States, Japan, China, North Korea, Iran, Russia, are all preparing and experiencing civil wars, and full-scale wars, as this is, and will happen. Those starseeds and light workers saying that there will be no wars are lying, spreading false information, and are still not awakened to the seriousness of this situation. We of the Galactic Federation of Light, of your angelic guardians, are only here to show you that nuclear war is of no option, with our protection of this sector of the universe. However, guns, bombs, and missiles that are not able to destroy the whole planet are being temporarily allowed. This is part of the divine plan, to have the clearing of all karma, of those souls holding tightly onto ego, with little to no awareness of who they are as source. Often such souls talk in such a way, "I hate this life, why don't the leaders figure it out? War is not the way, maybe if we go to war, then that will be a big lesson." Not knowing that war is exactly what is happening on the 3D collapsing dimension, as those being caught up in the drama are reading the news daily, and living in more fear of what is to come. You are the souls that are not yet awakened to your mission as a worker for the light. Your anchoring into more source takes you into responsibility to be helping now, more than ever before, as this is no time to say with ego, "Maybe I'll start being creative when this happens," when enough souls panic, when first contact happens, when disclosure happens. Until then, I will keep on with my 3D world, and hope for the best. This will show you how much you are unprepared, and are lacking your missions for such actions, for such a lack of responsibility, instead feeling the 3D reality will somehow stay in existence. No, this is a delusion to feel it will. When we as a collective of light on our starships see the future timeline of your Earth on our screens now, we have already seen what wars destroy a large part of the human population. The ego will say, "Then why aren't you saving us? Aren't we supposed to save the humans, or something?" It is not our role to save any soul from their own free will. If you choose to hold on to your guns, hold on to the mind attachments of fear, you will be, and are already, creating a nightmare for yourself to experience in your complete global collapse, in the economic spheres, in the political spheres, as well as the social spheres. Education itself has been tainted with fear. Lies of history events, of what actually happened is taught to children daily, feeling it is all the truth, and not realizing the amount of damage it is causing as a result. The education of 3D has always been flawed with fear, punishment, inequality, and a lack of information of the true sense of how a global community is raised to exist in peace, not in competition, not to try and get over, by, as you say in human terms, stepping over another to get to one place. That is ruthless, and not tolerated in being fully conscious, as there is no harm of such an existence in our realm, of who we are of your galactic family, as this is the end of all souls that are ruthless in this dimension, as the new Earth is already happening physically, with more physical shifting is taking place around the ring of fire, and will not stop, until the whole surface world needs to be temporarily evacuated. This is a serious situation, as only those of your newly awakened ascended masters that are treating it as such will survive physically beyond duality, and exist beyond the cycles of reincarnation, which is what most humans on this planet are headed for, and experiencing now. We stand with you in focus and unity always. We are the angelic realms. We are the Galactic Federation of Light.